It'll be sideways, but oh well. It can't see your face.
Worried it would break.
No.
Don't wanna. Yes, we're worried the condom will break. That's exactly what we're talking about.
No. Gee, I don't know.
Oh my god, Jay. Excuse me.
What? Now we can see your face.
Not if I do this. Oh, I'm so not good. Jesus, out of you.
You hear a weird beeping noise?
Someone's watch.
Don't work like that.
Whose watch is that? I don't know. Not maybe yours, Mom. Hey, Mom. I don't even know where it is. Whose watch is that? What is that beeping? Get rid of it now.
That's the detonator.
The detonator beeps. The detonator beeps.
We'll cut it off.
Genius.
I don't know what to plug in.
That's what we saw.
Wait.
Wait. Do I need to lick you? That makes you
No.
remember?
No, I was thinking if you were like her and then put that there, then okay. Never mind.
Not Luke.
Her? What? There's not a female in here.
Here.
Oh, you're a female.
You're a genius. Don't say about it.
Who is her?
Here. Here. Her.
Come on,
What?
man.
There's no her.
You can't go.
Come on, dude.
There's no her. You turn it black.
Come
I
on,
am.
dude, man. Come on, brother.
There's no her here. What is that leaving you?
Phone.
I look, her out there.
Her. I was pointing to the. Oh!
Her?
You here.
Why me here?
Well, I was telling you what I was talking about. Never mind, just go away. Not away.
You know, I just live here. Excuse me, you don't know the things. I don't let me try. You're gonna lock it up. He doesn't know the passcode, so he's trying to lock it up.
It's 7399.
Yes, it is.
I'm a Phineas and Ferb. Yes.
Yes, we are.
Yes,
What?
yes. You need to
Fix
shut up.
Guess what?
Cameron.
What'd he say?
Michael told me to leave you alone, so you don't want to talk to me too. He uses too many twos. You, so you can keep that present, I guess. Bye.
Prison?
Present.
What present?
For his birthday.
What present is for his birthday? What'd you get it for his birthday?
I can't tell you
When
because
is
I'm
his
going to
birthday?
put
Ow!
the 19th.
19th? What's today?
Sugar gold.
The 16th.
I thought his birthday was the 9th. I mean the 18th.
I don't know, it could be.
Oh, with Cameron Tyson.
I choked him with it.
I can't even. Why is I don't want that on.
Whose is that?
A friend of a friend's who doesn't want it anymore.
Oh,
so
he's a K. Not even good enough for OK.
just a K.
You can give me his birthday present and I'll throw it at him. What is it? Is it Eddie? I don't want to hurt him.
No.
Is it on?
Yes, on. It's been on since I put it there.
So what is that?
What is what?
It's
A camera.
It's a sex toy.
You stop.
Swear to God.
It used to have like something right here where it would like have something.
Shh. It's 9.
Shut up.
I'm sorry.
I'll spill this water.
He owns this house. He is the leader.
You told me that last time.
Did I? Were you here last time?
Yeah.
Look.
I mean, last time I was
He is
here.
a G. Don't do that.
Why?
Because it took us like 20 tries to print this out.
I thought you was talking about the water. I was like, you printed out water? I have yet to figure out how to do that.
He's just that talented. Not.
In bed.
Ew, you're gay. Do you know what he's talking about?
No, because she is younger than you. That's why they called the cops on me.
Yeah. Yeah. I've been pulled off the bus before from Miss Jenna.
Levi's gonna die.
Say your prayer, hit a one, don't forget my song. Till we grow everyone on.
My butt.
No,
Are we gonna throw the baseball today?
not today. We can throw the football later. Like when she leaves.
But it's flat.
No, it's not. We threw the football the other day.
You remember it was flat. Whenever she was here, it was flat. Didn't you used to teach football? Sorry, never mind. Listen, you remember how flat it was?
She doesn't need to get hit in the face with football.
Why?
Because,
I have too many problems with my face already.
yes, I mean, just look at it. That's how it is.
Shut
That
up.
was mean.
Don't talk about a lesbian like that.
Oh.
One time at band camp, okay?
Why did he say that?
Because I like saying that word lesbian.
Okay, I thought nothing.
I guess I'm a female.
I know what a Gayford is and I know what a lesbian. A girl Gayford and a boy Gayford. A girl Gayford is a lesbian. Boy Gayford is Michael.
Dude, you're drinking my water. You can't still spit it back out. Why would you? You could have just drank it. Why would you spit it back in there?
No, it's sitting right here on the table.
He's an idiot. Yes, I'm talking to the camera. That's what you did last year. I hit my head on a pole.
Oh yeah, that's what happened.
Yeah, that's what happened.
I mean, what?
So Michael, can we please throw the baseball? Because I got to get ready for baseball season.
Later.
After that thing leaves.
Oh, you are evil.
Thank you.
One day you're gonna get jumped and I'm gonna just sit there laughing.
Damn, damn,
I've
damn, damn,
I've jumped.
What is that? Oh, that's Paranoid. No,
I love Paramore.
Paranoid's my song. You need to shut up at this one. My butt.
No.
Michael hates Paranoid. And he hates you.
I hate you.
I hate you.
And I hate you too. I hate you more than you hate me.
What was I doing? Right. Stop distracting me. That works so weird.
Wait, no. This is how Levi tunes the guitar. He goes.
See, told you.
Na 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 na